I'm trying to get some things done, and
Okay.
okay. We live?
Yes, we are.
Okay, cool. All right, I'll show you kind of where I'm at right now, and then we can go around from there. And yeah, let's see. Okay, so this is what I put up. This is what I think if you saw what I put up on the site, on my site, what I submitted to the teacher, to the professor. I mean, this is what I had, and now I've added. So now we can actually add an ingredient. For example, let's add a type of cheese. What's a good type of cheese? Jalapeno? Jalapeno? How do you spell jalapeno?
No idea.
PANO.
It is jalapeno cheese.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, that's added. Now, if we go to adding the recipe, this is the hardest one, just because there's a lot of things that needed to happen. So, yeah, but now I'm almost done with it. I'm actually gonna get it done with you guys. Just you put in the the type of the recipe, and then here as we can see, go to cheese, and there's jalapeno cheese, the measurement and the quantity. And if you want to add an ingredient, you click add, and then there's more. If you want to remove it, just click on that. And if it's not there, the form to add an ingredient comes up. So let's say this, we can see the current types of pasta. We just have spaghetti. What's the type of pasta? I don't know.
Macaroni.
Macaroni. There we go. Macaroni. Just submit it. Okay, now when we go back, there you see macaroni's in there. So all that stuff's working now, and this won't work unless all this stuff is entered in. So this is just what I've been doing, and once we start adding in recipes into this, then I'll work on the search part of the recipe stuff. Make sense?
Yes, that looks really good.
Yep.
Okay. See, that's where I'm at on things. Yeah. And were you guys able to set up the basically the local host of the project?
I was able to set it up, but I'm still I was wondering if you could re-invite me or something on the GitHub, because I can't push or pull anything for some reason. I'm not.
Oh, really? Let me check.
And then after, can you show me where I would put my JSON code?
Yeah, I'll show you.
Awesome. Thanks.
Okay, so this is the GitHub settings. I need the people that weren't able to send me their. I don't know why it does this all the time.
Yes.
Okay, so I've got Rachel, Riley, Blake. You have to. Yeah, Liz, you have to basically accept the on GitHub. You have to accept the invite.
Yes, but I never got the invite for some reason, and I don't understand why. And I logged out of my GitHub, and I've re-signed in, and I've rebooted, and I've tried all kinds of things, and I still don't have an invite.
Dang. Okay, I'm gonna cancel this invite and then I'll send it back to you.
Okay.
And that was Hagee Loose.
Hagee-Liz, yeah.
Liz, I'm sorry, Liz.
And I did an
Okay.
invite to Anthony.
Yeah, what's your name?
Ben Benwara at Gmail. Oh no, my GitHub, right?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Boy, I totally forgot. Log on here again.
No, that's fine.
Mm-hmm.
So has anybody pushed any changes to the GitHub?
I'm still getting my stuff set up because I don't have the program that you guys have been using. Because I tried
Okay.
it doesn't work. So
All
Okay,
right.
Anthony, I pushed it into the message there, so you could just copy and paste it. Did you see it?
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Is it on here? Where's the group chat?
Yeah, the group chat. I'll put it on the other one here, just in case.
Oh, there it is.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah. So if you want, you can just, if GitHub doesn't work, just send me your guys' work, and then I'll just, put it in there. Because I know like GitHub sometimes has a lot of problems. So yeah, Liz, did you get the invite?
No, I still don't have an invite. I don't understand it.
Yeah, it's really weird. Yeah, you're like, so remember we were trying to look at it on your GitHub, and it's just like it doesn't have the bell thingy, right?
No, just nothing's showing up. And it's still not doing it. I don't understand why. I'm part of the team that Ben set up initially, but
Yeah.
that one I got and I was able to accept, but for some reason yours just isn't showing up.
Huh.
So I guess maybe we'll have to, but then it's hard because if I'm doing CSS, I need to be able to download or, upload what you've got. I need to be able to get that.
Yeah.
So I don't know how to resolve that issue.
Well, what you can do, you got it to work on locally. You got it set up.
Yes, it's all set up on my local host.
Awesome. That's sweet. Okay. If you want, just email me the CSS that you've been working on, and then I'll just paste it into the code, and then that would work. If you're still not able to, that's just really weird that you're not able to see the
Right.
invite. Oh man.
It's really bizarre.
It's
make sure if you push it into GitHub, make sure to comment that it was Elizabeth. Because I think the professor will look in and see who's put code in. Does that make sense?
okay.
Yeah, just comment it for Elizabeth. Just saying, oh, it's not working. So
All right. That sounds good. No, but I don't know what he looks at. I don't know what because I don't think he goes through our GitHub. I think he just wants our group URL thing, and he just looks at the thing.
Yeah,
I'm
that's
not
what
sure.
it's in the email. He doesn't want to look at our GitHub.
Okay, great.
okay, good to know.
Yeah, because I mean, there's so many in this class. It will take him, a whole week to do that.
Yeah, it works for me.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So with the thing with the JSONs, I'm gonna show, for example. So let me see. Okay, right here. So right here this is just to show how we're using JSONs, and basically we're gonna be creating another JSON down with the recipe. But this is an ingredient. This is an ingredient object, and basically creating the object. Then right here I'm using the stringify. I'm just turning the object into a string. That way I don't have to send like 50 variables here in the parameters. So I send it through, and then I pick it up here. Where is it? Add ingredient right here. And then right here I'm turning it back into an object, a JSON object. And that's what's going on. So this stuff right here, this is the back end. This is what I have to worry about. But for the JSONs on this end, it's so basically just have to create a JSON for, and we can do that right now because I'm actually doing, I'm at this part with the recipe where we have to add it into the database. So basically, the recipe is it's kind of complicated because we have to also have a list of ingredients within the object. So, for example, let's say recipe. So then we do this, name, and basically value. With the comma, I can't remember. Yeah, it's with a comma. Okay, does this make sense, Rachel?
Oh yeah, I just didn't know where I was supposed to put, like, where I was supposed to code. I was
Okay.
looking at GitHub and I was just looking at all the coding and I was like, I don't know which one's which. That's why I asked.
Yeah, so if you're not able to throw it, the GitHub, it should be just in the JavaScript files. And if you want, yeah, just email me what you've worked on, and I'll just throw it in. And yeah.
So for which part did you want me to do? Because I don't know which one to touch. Like what you're working on, so I don't touch what you're working on. But does that make sense?
So, yeah, that makes sense. Basically, so try to do this function. I'm gonna push it right now because I don't think you guys have this. So basically, on this, it's called the form validation JavaScript, and I'll show you where that is in the GitHub right now. So it's in the public folder, and then in the JavaScript folder, and it's not in there. I'm gonna add it in right now. So I'm gonna push it up, and I'll show you where you need to put it in.
Hey, Anthony.
Then, yeah.
So I got to step out of the chat, but I think I'm assigned to Ajax, and I'm not really like understanding it. Is there like a time you or anyone else on the team could help me with it?
Yeah, I can help you. When would be a good time?
I'm pretty much free like in the afternoons and the evenings on most days, so I mean I don't want to be convenient to you, but
no, just yeah, tomorrow. Just send me tomorrow in the afternoon. Sound good?
yeah, that sounds great.
Okay. Yeah, we'll go over it because a lot of this stuff, basically, all of this is using Ajax. Like right here,
Okay.
this is just loading forms, and I'll show you. Like right here, just adding in this little thing. This is using Ajax.
Okay.
Almost
so
all of these. Yeah.
Sorry.
No, almost all of these functions that I'm using, they're like when I change this, it's using Ajax to get a new list of ingredients,
Mm-hmm.
and yeah, we'll go over the rest of the Ajax functions that we need. We'll work on that together.
That sounds great.
Okay.
Appreciate it. Thanks for bailing out.
Nah, no problem.
Have a good night.
You too. Okay. All right. But yeah, anything I tried to incorporate the colors. Could you send me your CSS, Liz?
The colors are actually in they were in the minutes of last week. So
Yeah, I've been incorporating them in,
okay.
but have you done anything on the CSS side that you want me to add in right
Not
now?
yet. I kind of was hoping. Well, I tried doing some of it, but all I have from last week is that very front page. I didn't have any. Like this page wasn't. It just came up as 404. I didn't have any of the rest for some reason. None of the other stuff.
Yeah, this is all new. This is all stuff that I've.
Yeah, so I didn't have that. So no, I haven't done that because I didn't have it. And that's what I was thinking. You were saying, I mean, we can do it without me being able to pull it, but I don't know if I can. I need to be able to, get on it and look at what it's doing as I'm making the changes. So I think I'm going to have to research my GitHub problem and see if I can figure this out because I don't think it's going to work without me being able to pull it.
Yeah, that's really messed up.
Because I need to be able to see what I'm changing and see the pages. Like I said, the only page I had to begin with was the first page.
Yeah, the little welcome, right?
Yeah, and
or like
that was already done, so I was like, okay.
Liz,
yeah.
Yeah?
did you get an invite in your email?
Let me check my emails.
Yeah, it normally goes to your email. So you should use the account that you signed up with GitHub, and you should get a invitation.
Oh, come on, NetBeans. I hate NetBeans. I'm sorry. I'm trying to push it up. Oh. Okay, come on.
By the way, thanks Anthony for breaking that down on Monday.
Oh no, that's fine.
Okay, I was able to finally
Yeah,
accept it worked. Last time I didn't get the email, but this time I did get an email, so I now have it. So now I can push and pull, and I can work on it.
Great. Yay.
Awesome. Okay, yeah, were the rest of you guys able to set up locally, or so just Liz was able to? Ben, you haven't done it yet.
Yeah, I'll get on to it right after I'm done here.
Okay, and it's let's see, there were some problems before, but now it should be pretty easy. If you go through that tutorial, it should help you out. Let's see, I'll push just because there shouldn't be nobody's put up anything, so. All right. Okay, I'm pushing. Come on. I really don't like GitHub. Okay, it's pushing. I think it worked. Yeah, here we go. Okay. So for Rachel, so basically you just want to put the JSON in a function. Just public, go to the JS folder, and then right here in this form validation, JS. This is where I'm putting all of our functions in. And this is what I've basically put up. So that's broken right there. So basically right here it says add recipe. Do you see this?
Yep.
Just try to finish this, basically how we're going to set up this JSON, and then we're going to basically add in this stuff right here, and we're just going to have a way to send the JSON through. And yeah, if you have any questions about it or anything, we could actually do it right now. That's something I was That's something that I was working on, wanted to get done.
Okay.
Let's see. So only things we really have to worry about is just making sure that the object, stays in line with what the database, like right here, the ID type. And that's what we need. The ID type, rating, name, and steps. Okay. So basically, they've got the name, the ID type will be the type recipe, and then steps. That will be steps recipe dot value. And then the hardest part is going to be basically the hardest thing is going to be getting this list of ingredients. So what we have to do is basically we don't have for each. I don't want to. Let's see. This is always fun. But I like to just to see how many things and just kind of test things out. Console log helps a ton. Just to see what it's giving me, if things working out right. And this right here is basically what's going to be added in to the database, and then the rest of the stuff will be added into the other table. This right here, the recipe and ingredients table, where it has the ID of the recipe, the ingredient, and the measurement and the quantity. So yeah, let's try this out. See, I was saying once we get the CSS stuff, I mean, let's just be arranging these little things, because most of the things are coming together pretty good. And yeah. Okay, come on.
Yeah, and making sure it fits all sizes of screens. So
Yeah, this is my problem right now. If somebody can figure this out, I don't know why, I've tried everything, and I'm scrolling down. I've done it before where the picture, like it stays there, but this white thing right here, if somebody can figure that out with the CSS.
yeah, that's part of CSS. I'll see if I can figure that
Yeah,
out.
I'll
Okay.
take a stab at it too.
Yeah, that'd be awesome, because that's just been bugging me. It's just that. Okay, so let's see. So basically, I just want to check this function add recipe. Let's see, let's write in a name. Just doesn't matter. And let's just add. Okay, come on, something's going on. There we go. I want a pound of pepper jack cheese. Does that sound good? And then
Yeah.
let's see. Let's make pasta. Let's make some kind of macaroni. What is going on with something's? Oh, it's because I've got NetBeans going on. I'm gonna log out of NetBeans just because it's slowing everything down here.
Sure.
Okay. Come on. Like, dang, it's just killing me. Alright. Okay, let's just rerun this. I don't know why it's running so slow. Okay, cheese. All right, now it's working. I love pepper jack. Want 1 pound. We also want. Okay, that's a bug. Oh. What? Okay, that's really bothering me. Okay. Now we have a little bug. Let's just see what's going on. Okay. Yeah, that's why. Dang it. Okay. Dang it. Okay, so I have a bug that I have to work through. I just saw it. But anywho,
What
let's
happened?
just basically when I add in these inputs right here, these new ones, it's creating them, but the function that was set up, it's basically tied to just these IDs, and so when I create them, they all have the same ID, which is not good. That's like when I was clicking on this, I was like, why is it changing this? Because it's tied in with that. It's how come. So that's what's going on.
Makes sense.
So that's my problem. But yeah, oh dang it. So that's just that. And if somebody wants to design the search for recipe HTML form, that would be awesome. So just basically, I think I started on it. Let's see. I've not started on it. No, that's not it. So if you want to just come up with a basic search, a mock-up of like the search bar and like what the search results would look like in a list, that'd be awesome.
Okay.
If somebody can do that, just so.
I'll try doing that.
Okay. Is there anything else that we need to work on? This should be done. I was saying this could be done technically. This like once I finish this, then we just have to have a way to pull up the list, and that'd be it.
Mhm.
You know, so we should be done by next week.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
I'll work on the CSS this week to make sure it's all right.
Yeah, you can do that. I mean, this is just so annoying. I don't know why. If you can figure that out, be awesome. And yeah, anything else?
Nope.
No. Any concerns?
Nope.
No.
Thank you so much.
Yep. You're awesome.
Yeah.
I'll message y'all if I have a problem.
Yes, I might message you too, Anthony, if I need help or something.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Cool. Yeah, and Rachel, just try to finish that. Create the JSON thing for the recipe and see what you can do.
Okay.
That'd be great.
Okay.
All right. Awesome. So I'll try to fix my bugs and get that working.
Great.
All right. Sounds good.
Have a good one, guys.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.